Hello and welcome to Puzzle Master's product review. Today we will be taking a closer look at the Fastmaze 1 puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Dan Fast and made by Cubic Dissection. The Fastmaze 1 has difficulty level 9 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to remove all 4 brass pins and separate 3 plates. So basically the goal of the puzzle is to take it apart so that you have 7 parts on a desk, and then you have to assemble everything back together. There are 2 ways how to do that, a quick way and a difficult one. The quick way will be to just unscrew all 4 bolts, then put the plates one on top of another in a correct order, then put the bolts in the corners and screw them back, and the puzzle will be assembled. But if you want a difficult way, you can try to solve it back and put the bolts through all 4 plates and move them to the corners. If you take a closer look at the plates, you will find that there is only one spot on each plate which is big enough so that you can fit the bolt through it. And there is one spot on each of these plates. So that means that you have to navigate all 4 bolts to this position, then to the same opening in the second layer, then to the opening in the third layer, and only then you will be able to remove it. So quite interesting puzzle, requires a lot of moves. This puzzle requires actually 137 moves to solve it. And once you solve it, you can actually try to solve it again, since it will be difficult to remember the first solution, especially if you do rotations while solving. The rotations are not forbidden here, and sometimes they are necessary to solve the puzzle. And if you do rotations, the solution will be different each time, since you can rotate the plates in many different directions. I will try to show it to you now, but I have to move some of the parts in order to demonstrate it. Like right now, as you can see, I can almost rotate the second layer, but to do like a full rotation, I have to move a little further. And sometimes you can just rotate the plate 90 degrees or even 180 degrees, and that makes it like almost a new puzzle. And you can try to solve it again and again, and every time you will be solving it a different way. But if you think that the Fastmaze 1 is not difficult enough for you and you want to try something much more difficult, there are actually 4 puzzles in this Fastmaze series. There is Fastmaze 0, Fastmaze 1, Fastmaze 2 and Fastmaze 3, where 0 is the easiest one and 3 is the hardest one. And the third one is so difficult that it will take you probably days and weeks trying to figure out the correct solution. If you like the Fastmaze 1, or you want to try some other Fastmaze puzzles from the Fastmaze series, you can buy them at puzzlemaster.ca. Thank you for watching. See you next time.